Good morning and welcome. Very early morning. The sun will be up in about 5 minutes. This is another drone flight every day. I came here this early because there's minimal traffic, almost no traffic. Well, there are some cars here. I don't want to bother anyone, but I really want to capture this place with an FPV drone. And today's weapon of choice, of course, is Beta FPV Power 30 with the Action 2, DJI Action 2. So let's get it. Let's fly. Light little crash never hurt nobody. Fly your drones every day. That's the only way how you can get better at something, is by doing it every day. So get inspired and fly your drone every day. By the way, if anyone is wondering, I'm using the One Mo backpack by PGY Tech. It's like modular and it can fit a lot of things there. So I have my camera place, some batteries, a drone, goggles, and the controller. So yeah, it's a really good backpack. I really enjoy it. PGY Tech sent me it like a really long time ago, and it's still my favorite backpack. So if you're wondering what kind of backpack I'm using, this is the one. And by the way, it has straps on the front, so you can strap your drones on the other side. So yeah, hopefully you were able to enjoy this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you did not, then well, comment down below what can I do better. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.